Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change or update your email on TurboTax in 2025. Whether you've switched email providers or just want to keep your account info up to date, this guide will make it super easy. Stick around because I'll take you step by step so you don't miss a thing. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website at turbotax.intuit.com. Make sure you're on the official site to keep your personal information safe and secure. Next, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your username and password to log in. If you've forgotten your login info, don't worry. You can reset your password or retrieve your username using the options provided. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your TurboTax homepage. Look for the Intuit Account section. This is where you manage all your account details and security settings. Click on it to proceed. Change your email address. On the Intuit Account page, find the option that says Change Email. Click on it, and here's an important step. Verify your identity. TurboTax usually sends a code to your current email. Make sure you have access to it so you can enter the code. After verification, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Double-check it carefully to avoid missing important notifications from TurboTax. Finalize the update. Once your new email is entered, click Save or Update Email to complete the process. That's it. Your TurboTax email has been successfully updated, and there you have it. Updating your email on TurboTax is quick, simple, and secure. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.